Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the EURhine Sleep Mask. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in the shrink wrap box packaging is a EURhine Sleep Mask, and just taking a look at the details of the box packaging, and on the back or underside of the box there is some product information for this EURhine Sleep Mask. Now let's go ahead and open it up by tearing open or apart the shrink wrapper and using a penknife to help with the process. And now giving you a closer look at the box details. And of course, let's go ahead and open up the box and sliding the contents out from it. Okay, so that's the EURhine Sleep Mask taken out from its box packaging. We can set the box on the left hand side of the tabletop. And now giving you a look at the sleep mask with a clear plastic sleeve package, keeping it neatly packaged. Now let's slide the sleep mask out from that translucent packaging and giving you a look at this EURhine Sleep Mask. And of course, giving you some sense of its size, resting it in my hand or palm and gripping it lightly as well. So there we go, giving you a closer in look. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a sense of its overall design before we take much closer in looks. Okay, so we can see that it has a soft, low sheen cover to its design, and it is incredibly light in weight, even though its size might suggest otherwise. Now giving you a much closer in look to the soft, low sheen material or cover of this EURhine Sleep Mask. And on the side we can see it does have a loop as well as a slider for adjustment for the right fitment to the elastic headband. And to give you some sense of the overall design, and of course of the headband as well. So it does have elasticity to the headband. And of course with the adjustable slider as well. And of course the contact surface of the eye mask itself, so you can see the depth to it. And with the padding or bolstering for the contact surface of the eye mask, it does have very squishy and fast responding memory foam to it. As you can see, as I press down with my thumb, it does rebound very quickly to restore its form. So we're going to give you another look towards the bridge area. Bridge area does have a much lighter amount of bolstering or padding, as you can see right there. Does taper down quite significantly to support and allow for the nose bridge placement. Here, giving you a look towards the forehead area, just squeezing it and releasing it. So it is very soft and cool to the touch. And in terms of the eye socket areas, there is a level of thickness and soft padding to the eye socket areas or in the eye wells. Okay, so once again, giving you another look in a different perspective or angle to give you some sense of the cushioning or bolstering around the contact surfaces. Of this EURhine Sleep Mask. So once again, this time around, giving you some sense of its crushability and structure. So very light in weight, very soft to the touch with that light, cool and quick responding memory foam bolstering. And of course, elastic headband with the adjustable slider. Now let's go ahead and test it. In terms of the fitment, I'm going to put it on my head. And in terms of coverage, it does provide complete blackout. So complete darkness and comfort on my face, not allowing any light to pass through, even around the nose or bridge area. So quick, easy on and easy off. Of this EURhine Sleep Mask with that very soft, plush, and comfortable design with complete or total blackout from any light entering. So that's the EURhine Sleep Mask. Thanks for watching and happy sleeping!